So I'm gonna be making a pendulum lamp or something similar to one. This is an old globe. It's in French. Can't really make it out, but it's okay. And I'm just painting the inside white for right now. And then we're gonna paint it silver. And then cut this a little bigger so I can fit my lamp thing through. And then hang it up. They're doing the gray. I did a light gray, and then I'm going to darken it. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that it's gray. And then I'm using sponge paint and obviously Tupperware. And the gray silver, it's metallic silver, but I don't want it to be too sparkly, I guess you would say. But if it's not what I like, then I'll just paint it black. And that's the other insert that I'm talking about for the light fixture. This part screws off, and I just have to make a hole large enough for this to fit through, and then this goes back in between, and the dome fits in between here, and then I have a dome light, homemade lampshade. And then once I find my desired height, to prevent it from like slipping through the eye hook, I'm probably just gonna glue, like hot glue a ring, like so a grippy part and another grippy part, so it doesn't like constantly move through, I guess. Watching paint dry to pass the time. It's gray. I'm on my second coat. I'm making it a little darker, but as you can tell, it's shiny, and I'm not really sure if I want the metallic look. Okay guys, so I don't like the silver. It's too shiny, and I'm going to paint it black. I don't know. I think black would look better with the black writing, and it'll just tie everything in properly. So yeah, I'll be right back. So as you guys know, I was painting a globe and turning it into a lamp. So I painted it gray, and I didn't like it being gray, but I found out that there is a metal thing inside here. So when I was cutting, I was using a knife. It didn't work, so I had to use like pliers that had a blade in it to get through. And then I just took the little metal piece out and fit my lamp light bulb holder thingy in here. And I painted it black because I didn't like the gray. That's it. I have a light. You can see where I was going to poke holes, make the light shine through. Didn't work out. Ended up breaking the poker. So I turned off most of the lights just to give you a show of how cool and bright my lamp goes. So it's nice and pretty. See? If you have it so close, it doesn't show so much. Pull it up when it goes high, high, high. I don't know. Yeah, it turned out really good. I like it. It's a cool lamp, and it's done. Now I just gotta find a place to hang it.